I wanted to make a quick video on studying Spanish. If you're a fan of the show Lost, there is a Spanish version of it on the Hulu app. And what I've done since I've seen the whole series, I'm wanting to go back and watch it in English, and I've seen a few episodes. But I kind of gave up on that a little while ago, and then I got back on because I found these podcasts, and they are rewatch podcasts. They'll go back and do a whole entire reboot of watching the series episode by episode by episode. And there's one I've been listening to is like 3 hours long each one, and I think they're only in the middle of season 3 on the rewatch. But that kind of got me a little bit more motivated to study, because since I've seen the series, and this particular podcast is spoiler filled, and you know what they're going to be talking about and stuff. So whenever you kind of hear when I hear the analysts, the recap, the opinions, and the thoughts on the show in English, then it's kind of like when you go back and watch it in Spanish, then it's like you might not necessarily need to know every single word that's being said. So there's something that might help. There's some other shows that are pretty popular on Hulu, like Fear the Walking Dead is in Spanish, but I've only seen a few episodes of it. I mean, if you're a Walking Dead fan, then that might help, because you can watch it in Spanish and then you can listen to the podcast in English, so you kind of know, it's fun to rewatch the series again, and then it's fun to learn. So, yeah, that's my tip for today. Thank you for coming by.